All right, guys. All right. So, next thing. All right. So, we got the idea, right? We know what we're going to talk about. Okay. We got the topic. All right. So, our topic is first love, right? That's the one we're going to go with for this example. Okay. So, the next thing that normally, all right. So, when it comes to songwriting, there's a right and wrong way, but there's a lot of different ways you can approach it. Now, when it comes to industry standard, 98% of the time, songs are created in a certain format. All right. So, what do I mean by that? Well, the 98% of the people normally start with the chorus. All right. It's normally the chorus that we are starting with. All right. So, remember what I said. Creating songs is very similar to creating an essay. All right. So when you create your essay, you got your main idea, you got your topic. Okay. Well, the first thing that you do when you start writing, you write your introduction paragraph. All right. Your introduction paragraph is going to tell us about what you're writing about. Right. It's going to, in that paragraph, we're going to know what the essay is about. Okay, well, in song structure, your introduction paragraph is your chorus, your hook. All right, when we listen to the hook and we listen to the chorus, we're going to know what the song is about. All right, so with that being said, all right, we're going to utilize ChatGPT to help us come up with hooks and choruses. All right, so our topic is falling in love, right? Now, there are different topics within or first love. I apologize. First love was the overall topic, but we can get more in depth as far as first love, right? Now, what we could potentially do, because what we initially did was we took first love and then we created 5 more topics out of first love. Well, every main idea, topic of essay, you have 3 supporting paragraphs. And inside of those supporting paragraphs, you have supporting details of each paragraph. Each paragraph, you're supporting the main idea. You got 3 paragraphs that's supporting the main idea in different ways. Okay, so we're getting to the supporting paragraphs later in the course, but I say that to say this. These different topics about first love, we could also add them, right? That we can add them to our brainstorming list. All right. And we can talk about these and use these inside of our supporting paragraphs. All right. So that's another way to utilize all of this information that we have. Okay. So that's if we want to do it like that. But we're just going to stick with first love. All right. First love. So what we're going to focus on is the chorus. Okay. So ChatGPT. Write me 5 different choruses about first choruses for a song about first love. Something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us through our help center or help.ai.com. All right, I'm glad this happened because when you're using ChatGPT, this does happen sometimes. So I'm glad it did happen. All right, so we're going to hit regenerate response. All right, still acting up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh this. All right, this is good, so you know how to troubleshoot this because this happens all the time. All right, there we go, and we're off to the races. All right, so we asked ChatGPT to write us 5 different courses for a song about first love. All right, so what did it do? It created us 5 different courses. All right, so course 1. Oh, first love, you were the one. My heart was young, but yours had won. The memories of you still remain. My first love will never be in vain. Verse or chorus 2. First love, you're hard to forget. The sweetest memories we haven't met. A feeling that I can't deny. My first love will never die. All right. So now, before we get into all the courses, now keep in mind, ChatGPT is helping you create the words, right? Now, phenomenal. Come up with 5 different courses, all of them different lines, different rhymes, all of that, right? Now, you still have to be able to take this and make it fit in whatever instrumental that you choose, right? You have to make it fit in whatever instrumental you choose, okay? So in the next module, we'll talk about that, but we'll just talk about the idea and the generating of the actual words, all right? Because a lot of times this is the hard part. All right, course 3, first love, you were the start, the first to capture my fragile heart. The memories of us still clear as day. My first love will always stay. Course 4, first love, you were the one. The first time I knew love had come. The memories of you still remain. My first love will never be in vain. Course 5, first love, you were the one, a feeling that can be reversed. The memories of us still alive. My first love will always thrive. All right, so there you have it, guys. 5 different courses about love, first love. All right, so if you was ever experiencing writer's block and having issues with just coming up with the terminologies and what to say, like this is how to do it. This is how to make your life so much easier. So you don't have to focus on what to say. You can focus on how to say it. All right. Not too hard. See you in the next one.